Munini wa President Dagitari William Ruto anyitirire ati githurano-ini giukite Akenya ikiro ciothe magirire gukorwo na mieke iganaine ya kuhuranira iturwa itiganite cia atongoria mateguthutukanio ni mawatho maria roiga matire na muthingi ta makwenda makorwo na degree kuma university ikurikanite.
Because the people who don't have degrees are not complaining. They are not asking for any favors. So wewe ambaye umesoma, why are you asking for favors? So wacha kila mtu aende kwa kiwanja. Ama? Yes, wacha kila mtu aende ajitetee, wewe useme mimi kabisa I'm very intelligent, nimesoma hii, we explain raia. Mpaka waone kweli kabisa, wacha tupatie hii kazi hii mtu.
Agicemania na aria marenda kuhuranira iturwa ngurani na kiama kia UDA kuma itaru-ini cia Nyanza na ithwiro ria bururi.
Yothurwa ontie.
Munini wa President ni akanite thitango iria koretwo agitemanirio mahinda kwa mahinda akirwo ati mubango wake wa kuga egukuria utonga wa bururi kuma kuri mukenya wa thi ni njira ehithanitio ya kwahurania andu na mithingi ya utonga.
A hustler is not a poor man. Do you understand? A hustler is a hard-working Kenyan who is ready to work hard and do the right things. You know, wake up early, sleep late, do the right things and climb the economic ladder.
Ruto anyitirire ati ang'ethaniri ake mageretie uria mangihota kwagira mubango wake kiene na riria maturuma ihiga mahundukagira irumi na runyararo ruria ameriire ati rugakinya muthia Akenya monania kuria ngoro ciao cikireire.
The hustler narrative is not about the rich versus the poor. Do you understand? The hustler narrative is not, in fact, the people who want to destroy the hustler narrative are the ones who are telling us William Ruto is not a hustler because he's not a poor man.
Akiuha andu a Nyanza na ithwiro ria bururi aria ithurano-ini ithatu hituku na njira nene mehandite thutha wa Raila Odinga maingire meri-ini yake ya UDA. Ruto amerire ati ena mwihoko niwe ugathondeka thirikari yukite na akeranira ati na njira ciothe igatugiria uigananu utari wonekana kuma ithurano-ini cia wamurani ugai-ini wa iturwa na muno makiria hari utambia wa tabarira cia thirikari.
Regarding the nominations from UDA, I want to assure you from the desk of the Secretary General that the process will be free, fair, transparent, verifiable and accountable. If you don't remember anything else, just know that will be the process.
We have watched, we screened what has been happening in other parties and where democracy was left aside. And then that intimidation was brought in to intimidate either those who do not have money or those who are not closely associated with the party leadership.
Utongoria wa UDA uthiete na mbere na kuria rumiriria kiama giki metikire gucoka matura-ini na moria andu meyandikithie ta aikia a kura kwa uingi niguo batuni yao ibaimbe mwerekera-ini wa githurano kinene twerekeire. Ngiribotera Inooro TV njitagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.